What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a little different. I wanted to take some time and talk about this app that I built many years ago called Best.9. We just put together a little short video that I wanted to share with all of you about it for 2020. I think it's about time on this channel where I start talking about some of the things that I learned over the years of building tons of apps and processes and monetization and multi-platform support of what you see here, and kind of so on and so forth. So it's available on both the App Store as well as on Google Play. So here we actually just launched a Mac app, which is something I'm pretty excited about. But we've got iPhone support, iPad, Apple Watch, so on and so forth. So if you think it's cool, if you have heard of it, definitely leave a comment down below. I just want to really share this video with you guys. I'm super proud of it. So that's it. I'm going to stop rambling on. Make sure you destroy the like button before we get into it, but let's roll the video.